hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is Suprava. For those who don't know, that is Swani. So today is 19th of October, and I'm sorry for the delay, but anyways, so this is a late vlog, and I haven't yet shown how my Durga Puja went. So after this you will be able to see my Durga Puja series. More 2 vlogs are to go for the Durga Puja series, and then my daily vlog will be coming soon. Right now I'm trying to just adjust with my new schedule and my new everything. So please stay with me and keep supporting and sharing. So hope you are liking my video, and if you're liking my content, if you're liking my vlogs, then do let me know in the comment section below, and keep supporting and sharing, and also subscribe to my channel Suprava Poddar, which is my other channel for those who all love food, and my this channel Hybrid Mini. So now watch and enjoy my Durga Puja vlog series. So till then, stay tuned. Bye bye. गुड मर्निंग, होप यू ऑल आर डूइंग गुड एंड एब्सोल्युटली फिट एंड फाइन। सो आज হচ্ছে শুভ নবমী। আশা করি তোমাদের শুভ অষ্টমীটা সবার খুব ভালো গেছে। আমার তো ভালো গেছে। আমি আজ বললাম যে আমি আমার বন্ধুদের সাথে দেখা করেছি, আর আজ হচ্ছে শুভ নবমী। সো আজ টুডে ইজ দ্য 9th day of the Navratri, and I hope everyone's this Navratri also goes well. And it is the fact that for the last 3 years or 4 years, every time during Durga Puja there was rain, but this time this rain started from Navami. So let's see what will be the condition of today. But anyway, it started raining since 5. Like I'm awake from 4:50 it started raining, and still it's raining. Now it's drizzling. So at that particular point of time it was raining like cats and dogs. So যাই হোক, এটাই হচ্ছে আজকের আপডেট। আর right now it is around 8:30 in the morning. I got up, I freshened and relaxed, and now I have come here to clean my room. If I show what my room is looking right now, you will be like, what? Yes, just wait. See, Phil? When there is a wedding or when there is puja, this is the condition of what house looks like. Okay, so I just got done with my breakfast. Today I had Maggie, and my mom will go for the Anjali, so she is not having the breakfast right now. So it is around 9 in the morning, and whenever there is rain you feel like so late. I will show you how and I'm spending this day. আশা করি তোমাদেরও দিনটা খুব ভালো যাচ্ছে। আর যাই হোক, এখন আমি আমার নিজের রুমে এসেছি, দেখতেই পাচ্ছ। And right now I will be doing some of my work which is necessary and important, and then I will meet you once I get us planned. Okay, so now it's around 3:30 in the evening or afternoon, whatever you say. So I have got a good news that I have been following Simple Tip Andisha. She is my school senior, that she is senior to me like 5 to 6, 7 years, and she was also in Steel Carmel. I was also in Steel Carmel, and I used to follow her since last 3-4 years. Okay, I don't remember, but yes, I always wish to meet her once. She stays in Delhi with her husband, and her in-laws house is here, and her parents also stays out in Kolkata. And it's obvious that when she visits Durgapur, it is not possible for her to meet every individual subscriber. So anyways, I just found out her house, and I'm finger crossed that I will go and meet her, and if yes, then I will definitely show you. So till then, stay tuned. সো আমার অন্বেষা দিদির সাথে দেখা হয়ে গেছে, আর খুব 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 ভালো লেগেছে that I finally met her. I'm going to my home and will then let you know what I do. So till then, stay tuned. I guess it's about to rain. Okay, so now I have come in the terrace and will enjoy my green tea. We'll then get ready and we'll decide where to go. Okay, so now I'm all ready, and now I'll go and will show where I'm going. So till then, stay tuned. And this is what I wore. This is my own saree again. I wore it like this, and this is the blouse which I already showed. So yes, that's all. I'm not going to wear anything else because it's too hot and it can rain anytime. So we'll meet you once I leave. So till then, stay tuned.
purchase.
ওকে সো দ্যাটস অল ফর টুডে। আশা করি আজকে নবমী দিনটা সবার ভালো কেটে থাকে, কারণ বিকাল থেকে তো বৃষ্টি, রাস্তা মোটামুটি ফাঁকাই আছে। যাই হোক, মানে পুজোতে এত লোকজন, ওটাই দেখতে মজা লাগে। তো আজকে ডিপিএল গেছিলাম, অ্যান্ড ডিপিএল ইজ আ প্লেস ওয়ার মাই ফাদার হ্যাজ স্পেন্ড হিজ চাইল্ডহুড অ্যান্ড স্কুল ডেজ, you can say college days, and then they shifted to Bidhannagar, and that place I make sure I visit every year during Durga Puja, because there my grandfather built a Tulsi Manch, which we say, for my grandmother, and that was in cement. So when I was small, I was in class 7 or 8, I asked my dad to rebuild that and with the tiles so that it stays forever and ever, and hence I make sure that I visit that place, because though I did not get the love of my grandfather, because I didn't see either of my grandfather and my grandmother, my mom's mother, she was alive, and I got all the love from her. And in case of my paternal grandmother, I have always seen her, in a wheelchair. I did not understand how, like, what is the feeling of getting love from the paternal grandfather or grandmother. So anyway, that Tulsi Manch, that gives me immense love and makes me feel nostalgic, that I wish my grandparents were alive, and I could have spent more time with them, and I would probably say that they are my grandparents. So anyways, that's all for this vlog. Hope you like it, and if you like it, then don't forget to hit the like button. And also I will share the photo of me and Oneshadi, which I took in her home. I am so feeling good that today's the day was all good. So it's around 8 in the night now. I will freshen up, I will change, and I will relax, and will then start preparing for the dinner. For dinner we will have chapati, and already the aloo cauliflower sabji that is already made in afternoon, so nothing to do tonight. So that's all. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, then don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel. So till then, stay tuned.